Hi friends, I'm Rekha. This channel is for Java developers, especially for beginners. This is the Java series I have started and would need your continuous support. Let's begin. In this session today I'm going to tell about Java history and what is Java, why do you need it, what are the features it supports and it provides, and types of applications, platforms, and also we'll see the first program of Java in this session today. So, history of Java. Java was developed by James Gosling in 1991, and he is also known as father of Java at Sun Microsystems, which now has been acquired by Oracle. That is from 1995 onwards. So, this is about history, and now let's see what is Java. So, Java is actually a programming language and a platform. This is why it is different from C and C++ because Java provides you uh, application interfaces, that is library, as well as the platform. So that's the main reason why it is different, and so this is the reason why Java is a high level object oriented, robust, secure programming language and platform independent. This is very important feature, and high performance, multi-threaded, portable. So these are the very these are actually the features of Java which makes it different from other languages and very easy to learn. This you will see when we'll proceed for other sessions. And here it provides platform, as I told you. So this is because of JRE and API. So I'll let you know about all this we will see in next slides. So as I said, it's a programming language and a platform. So basically what is platform? Any hardware, any operating system or software environment in which a program is executed, that is platform. So in Java you have it provides a virtual machine over. When you install Java, you actually in the operating system you install a virtual machine, and where you run your program. That is this is what about the platform here. Now coming to features, as I said, it is simple, robust, platform independent, and dynamic. So why it is, see, we'll see one by one. This is simple and robust because it is easy to learn, and the syntax is very easy, very simple, clean, and very easy to understand, in fact. And that is the reason it is a why we call it as simple programming. And compared to C++, it is very easy to understand the syntax, and moreover there are very implicit things and explicit what we have to write. Few things are removed completely from this, like pointers, operator overloading. If you are coming from C++ background, then you know about this is very complicated, so this is the reason Java has removed it. And then it is object oriented. This is very important, though it is not listed here, but please remember, it is Java is object oriented programming language. So everything in Java, it is object. So everything, it is like physical entity. So you whatever you try to write in the blueprint, like a building blueprint, designing is done and then you get the building. Similar way it is in the software development, and very easy to maintain it. That is what the OOPS concept it provides. Few are similar to your C++, like inheritance, polymorphism. Those are those things we are going to see in the next series of our session, Java series. And then it is platform independent, very important feature. And in the interviews also they do ask why it is independent, why do we call Java as independent. That is also I'm going to explain you in the next series. So these are the very important features. and it is secured and all those. So now coming to types of applications and type of platforms it provides us. So here you can see the core Java. This is the standalone application which we write and which we execute it, and this we are going to see from the scratch how to write the code and how to execute it. In the next series I'm going to explain you about this. This is the beginning one, standalone applications. And then going ahead for advanced level, this is for web applications, where the website designing and web development is done, which is along with the business logic, what you need, what the current website need that. So there is servlets and JSPs. We are going to design it and write the business logic and design it, present it. So that is about the web applications which we get it from here. And then come to enterprise level applications. This is another type of application. This is completely distributed in nature, and it is for banking sector, banking applications. Now coming to types of platform. Java supports Java SE, that is standard edition, which is 10.0. This is the version 10.0. And then we have enterprise platform, then mobile platform, and you do have Java FX platform. So as a beginner, these three platforms, if you are aware, this would be fine. Now coming to the first program, the requirement for Java Hello World example. So first example will be Hello World. We are going to show you the Hello World execution here. Hello World will be written over the command or as the output. So for executing this Java program, you need to install first JDK. You have to set up the class path, and then not only class path, the path, and then create the Java program. Means you have to code it, and then you have to compile and run the Java program. So we are going to see this in our next session. That next video I'm going to explain you the first simple Java program, how to install, how to run, how to code, and then how to run it. So this is the simple first program where you have class simple. This is the name of the class where you are having the public static void main. This is the starting point of the main method where the environment JVM look for and execute. The water system out.println is for printing purpose. So this will be printed like this, hello world. So thank you for your time and watching the video till the end. Expect next part of the videos soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe. And one more thing I want to say, that hope you liked it, and shall appreciate if you can comment below what more would you like to learn, or if I missed something. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.